Cardano NFTs have been absolutely blowing up, with multiple 6-digit sales in the last couple of weeks. And with smart contracts finally being here, I believe this is only the beginning. If you want to be like this kid, keep watching. What's up nerds and versions, it's APE Crypto here, and today I'll be giving you my top 3 Cardano NFT projects that I believe have the best long-term potential, that I believe will be the most popular CNFTs and will have the best long-term potential. But before I do that, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single Cardano NFT video. And also make sure you follow my Twitter, as I'm doing CNFT giveaways and I give multiple pieces of breaking news every day on my Twitter feed. So if you want to keep up with the CNFT space, make sure you follow my Twitter. So coming in third place is CryptoDino. I'm very bullish on this project and I believe it will continue to do well. For those who don't know, CryptoDino is a collection of 10,000 dinosaurs and they're all extremely cute and are very popular. They are currently ranked 6 out of all the Cardano projects on the all-time chart, but I can see this continuing to rise as this beautiful roadmap gets laid out. There's talks of breeding and gamification of 2 collections, which I'm very bullish on. Giving these dinos actual utility will skyrocket the demand for these assets. And this isn't confirmed, but I do believe you actually have to own the dinos to be a part of the breeding. So therefore, the demand for the dinos will go up because everyone will want the baby dinos. This is me just speculating, but if this is true, the demand for these assets will skyrocket, which will ultimately lead to the floor of the dinos growing exponentially, growing more than they already have, the current floor of 9088. I personally minted a decent amount of these at 1688, and it was one of the best decisions I've made in a while in crypto. And I haven't sold a single dino because I'm bullish on this project, and I do believe it will be one of the top Cardano projects. So along with a great roadmap, awesome art, they've also got a very passionate community and quite a large one too. With 4,000 followers on Twitter and almost 4,000 Discord members, CryptoDino is hugely popular, and this is exactly what an NFT project needs. The bigger the community, the more people FOMO, and the more people want these dinos, which is good for you. I can just see this continuing to grow and just absolutely explode. Once all the ETH maxis come in and the Solana heads come in, I can see CryptoDino at a 588 floor. They are very cute, they are very lovable, and the NFT community as a whole will catch on to this. Literally, my best mate, who's not even in crypto, saw me checking out the floor price and he was zapped into this, the same as my girlfriend's little cousin. The art for these are brilliant and people will want a piece of this pie, and that's why CryptoDino is my third favourite project on Cardano. My second top project on Cardano is ClayNation, and I absolutely love this project, and it is by far my personal favourite. So ClayNation is a collection of 10,000 characters composed of handcrafted clay traits in 8 different categories, and the ClayNation has been growing exponentially over the last couple days. There's only been 3 days since ClayNation were minted, and since then Claymates has reached number 3 on the all-time Cardano NFT projects list. And by the time this video comes out, or a couple days after it, I can almost guarantee it'll be ranked number 2, which is absolutely insane, considering minting was only 3 days ago. If you've been on Twitter and Discord, you'd know the hype has been crazy, with Claymates having 9,000 followers on Twitter, having almost 5,000 members in the Discord. And if you're in the Discord, you'd know the community is mental, which is absolutely key for an NFT project. An active community and a passionate community is infectious, and that's why I can see Claymates continuing to grow. Along with this hype, the floor has been rising too. Right now we're sitting at a 588 floor, which is absolutely crazy. Literally last night when I went to sleep, we were just on the cusp of 350. And on that same day in the morning, it was 288. So ClayNation is absolutely going crazy. I can seriously see this continuing to grow. Not only do they have an awesome community and an awesome team who are transparent, the art is so original. Like, these are all handcrafted out of clay. I haven't seen anything like this across Ethereum, across Solana, and all other competitors. So it really does stand out, and I think this will attract a huge amount of people in the NFT community. I, for one, am completely zapped in, with my profile picture being a clay, and I also have clay hands in my profile bio. And if you've been on Twitter, and you're active in the CNFT space, you'd see a whole ton of people exactly like me with their clay in their DP, which is another great sign. So yes, I do personally own Claymates, but all bias aside, from what I've seen from the community, the awesome art, and the great team, I honestly do believe Claymates will be the Bored Ape Yacht Club on Cardano, which is a bold call, but I truly do believe it. Claymates is a brilliant project, and I will be surprised if we don't see a 1000 ADA floor, which is also a bold call, but I am seriously bullish on this project. Claymates is my number 2, and of course SpaceBuds is my number 1. SpaceBuds is one of the OG CNFTs, and I really do believe SpaceBuds is the crypto punks of Cardano. Rank 3 has 1 million ADA in volume, Rank 2 has 1.2 million ADA in volume, and Rank 1, which is SpaceBuds, has 5.3 million ADA in volume. It's a complete landslide who is the most popular CNFT project, and this will continue, and SpaceBuds will be a household name not only on Cardano, but in the entire NFT space. The current floor for a SpaceBud is 3,700 ADA, which is crazy because I'm pretty sure back a couple months ago they were minted for around 20 ADA, which is crazy. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but I know it was nothing major. So people with minted SpaceBuds are almost a 400x up from here. And I definitely believe this will continue to grow, and I do believe the floor will be 10,000 ADA. And I also do believe we'll see a $1 million transaction for a SpaceBud in the next couple months. Exactly like we've seen on Solana with degenerate APE NFTs. This was actually put in perspective well from Fettuccine NFT. Make sure you follow this guy. Imagine the top sale on literally the top Cardano NFT project being only 77 ETH and not even being bullish on SpaceBuds NFT, when ETH collectors are spending 600 plus ETH on these rocks. When those people come into the CNFT space, we're really going to see the moon. And I completely agree. The CNFT space is peanuts right now to what it will be in the next couple weeks and the next couple months, especially when you compare it to Ethereum and Solana. It's absolute peanuts, and SpaceBuds would lead the pack. So that was my personal top 3, but here are some notable mentions. Cardano City, I do believe if this can be done properly, it will definitely be in the top 3. But for me personally, I need a bit more clarification on their roadmap and what's happening. But it's definitely up there, and I do hold a couple units, and I even hold a poster. Another notable mention is Cardano Trees. This is the first full on-chain art that actually evolves and lives and grows, and it is one of the OGs in the Cardano NFT space. So I can definitely see it gaining traction when all the ETH heads come in, just because of its sheer uniqueness. I personally own a couple trees, and I'm very bullish on Cardano Trees, and it could have easily been in my top 3 projects. And of course, Unsigned Algorithms is definitely a worthy mention. Some people are probably going to be pissed at me that I didn't mention this in there. Personally for me, I just prefer Claymates and CryptoDino to Unsigned Algorithms, but nonetheless, this is a great project and it's very popular. So it could have easily been in my top 3. And the other one is not Coco Loco. Anyway guys, that's all from me today. What's your thoughts on my top 3 Cardano NFT projects? Do you agree with me? And if not, let me know below. My personal favourite is Claymates. What about you? Let me know. I'm APE Crypto, leader of the nerds and virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.